What's up, guys? We're headed out to the Norcal S-Chassis Meet. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to bring Jade. Michael's trailer was preoccupied, but I still wanted to go out, check out some of the local cars. Got Kaylin and Emma with me, and we're actually filming this on my iPhone because I left the camera at the shop with Michael. Be a different layout. I'm not sure quality-wise how this does, but it's a brand new phone, so I assume it'll do all right. Let's go ahead and get there. Check out some of these cars.
Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Everyone making excuses, I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off, know that I'm never gonna lose it. Got addicted to the chase now, people saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gonna stand still, I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me, they treated me like I was calories. But really they can't get enough of me, they treated me like I'm a salary. They bringing me up in discussion, they wondering how do I do it so casually. I celebrate all of my victories, all of a sudden they all gonna be mad at me. Damn, I don't have time for concern, I just go live and I learn. Trust me, I waited my turn, leaving my dream in return. This is a given, it's earned. People been listening over the world, I've been making that money while I be asleep. I never ran to the money, but now all the money been too busy running to me. Ayy, I put the team on my back, I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy. I'm not doing this for the money, so don't misinterpret my last line. The weather ain't always been sunny, but I know that I'm gonna still shine. You never gonna make it till you got the power to go and develop a strong mind. Cause everything happens where you don't expect it, the journey ain't given a deadline. I'm going till I got a flat line, connecting with people like landline. I've been blowing up like a landmine, I put myself on like a cloud.
Alright, well, we're headed out. Unfortunately, we weren't able to stick it out until everyone showed up. We got to get Kaylin to work. She works in like an hour, so it was really cool to see all the local cars. We were really surprised with how many girls there were.
Yeah, girls representing.
What'd you think?
I thought it was awesome.
Yeah, like I said, there's still people showing up. I overheard some people saying that there's a group coming in from the Bay Area that is supposed to be here in like 30 minutes, but sorry we missed you. But like I said, we got to get her to work and I got to get to the shop, so we'll see you there.
Knowing the way that they going, I'm ready for more, I don't wait on the sideline. I'm feeling like 2011 when Drizzy was dropping them hits like his headlines. I don't understand what I can't do, if I cut you off then I had to.
That's right, we finally got the wrap all done. I got to mount one side skirt, and then we do have to do the front bumper still. That's going to be coming up pretty quickly because I've got some projects that I want to take care of that require that to be mounted first. Michael and I were talking about what we were going to do for a rear bash bar, and with how tweaked the rear of this car is, we just kind of decided that, well, we had kind of come up with a plan, but I kind of decided later that I'm just gonna live with having to jack it up from the diff for at least this next event. We'll see how it goes. I imagine that I won't be going through too many tires. I don't know, it doesn't seem like that track really tears them up. Last time I went with Michael, he ran one set of tires for the entire event and could have went a whole nother event on that same set. So hopefully I won't absolutely hate not having that jacking point, and if I do, we'll have to take care of that before Hot August Nights. But I'm just gonna leave this how it is, and we're gonna go back to the front bash bar because I want to make a nice wood splitter that'll help protect the front bumper, and that'll actually help me not to have to mount that really crazy. I know Nate from Villains, he actually just kind of sets his on there, so that's the goal. We'll be taking care of that in the coming weeks. This will be my last video for the next week or two. I have finals next week, and I really need to buckle down. I've been lazy, I've been slacking. So I'll be studying for that this weekend, so I won't be out at the shop. But my last final's on Tuesday, and bet your ass I'll be out here because it's about time to hit party mode on this bitch. If you guys aren't familiar with what party mode is, well, you're gonna find out in this video. So let me dive into it. That's right, we got it all wired up. We are ready to roll. This thing can go out and drift tomorrow if it needed to. But I do have a few things that I want to add in, and that brings us to party mode. I'm sure other people refer to it as the same thing, but Michael and I kind of started calling it party mode. Basically, that's going to be like strobes, music, underglow, all the fancy hotboi shit that we've wanted to run for a long time. That's going to be a reality soon. I did pick up a strobe light kit. I started wiring that in. It's pretty straightforward. I'll give you a quick rundown on how that goes, and I'll drop a link to it down in the description if you guys are interested. If you are looking for a strobe light kit for your hotboiness, check out, make sure you're looking up emergency hideaway lights. For whatever reason, that's where I found everything I was looking for. And this kit that I got is actually pretty sick because it actually uses HIDs. It's got like 16 different modes. It's pretty sweet. It's like $65, but I think it's well worth it. I've actually already got them all hooked up. They fit in the reverse lights here almost perfectly. Well, not almost. They fit in there perfectly. That's it in the reverse light. I had originally planned on doing aftermarket headlight buckets up front, but unfortunately my budget isn't going to allow for it, at least not for bash. So we're going to try to like rig some stuff up to get that working, so I have all 4 of my strobes going. Also, another thing that I've been working on, and this is something that I've had previously, but I just needed to get it all wired in, is getting my audio all hooked up. And Dustin actually made me some custom speaker mounts so they can go there instead of back here. And so the first task that I want to take care of today is getting the rest of the strobe light stuff wired in and getting the speakers hooked up to the amp. All right, real quick, just got the glove box mounted, and we've got our party mode switchboard. That was that alternative switch panel that we wired in when we did the rest of the wiring. I didn't want to overcrowd my center consoles, so that's why we just went with that. All in all, I'm happy. Now I just got to wire up the strobe lights and we'll see how it works. All right, so I got the strobe lights all wired up, at least these rear ones. Now, in theory, I should be able to flip the party mode switch, and we should, and we do have strobe lights. And then also what's sick about this kit is, here, we can kind of see it from back here. We got a whole bunch of different settings. All right, guys, so I got the speakers all wired up on this side. I can't test them because I have an iPhone X and I forgot my dongle. Everything went well. I started to plan out for those front strobes, and I know I said I was gonna get to this skirt. Started playing with bash bar stuff, but I'm actually having some sort of allergic reaction. I've got, what's that shit called where you're fucking, I've got like hives all up and down my legs and my arms, and I'm just itchy all over. So I'm calling it a day. I'm gonna go home. I gotta go sit in traffic for an hour in order to even get home, but I'm gonna go home, take a shower, hang out with Emma. I unfortunately didn't get as much done as I had hoped, but considering the circumstances, I'm just gonna have to live with it. Again, I won't be posting a video next weekend from myself. Hopefully Michael will have a couple videos to put up. I know he's been slaving away on his car. My dad should get into town, I want to say around the 1st or 2nd, and I couldn't be more excited. I don't know what we're gonna do all week. It's pretty much gonna be out here hanging out or whatever, but we'll get the car ready and then it's off to bash. So it's getting close. I know it's gonna creep up even on me, especially on this project. It's gonna be a lot of really long nights in our near future. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for getting us to 100 subs. I know we're at like 109 right now. Thank you guys so very much. I know I missed a bunch of you guys at that car meet, so I apologize for that. We'll definitely get you at the next one. We do still have that goal set for 500 subs by the end of the year. If you can do us a favor, like, comment, and subscribe, share it, please. I started posting these videos on Reddit, so if any of you guys are from Reddit and checking it out, thanks for giving us a view. Hopefully you like what you see and you can hit that subscribe button for us. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and take a shower. Later, guys.